Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys need to find what the MG clutch fuse is for, where that fuse is located, what it can control, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap replacement fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your money, guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses. You can see like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So MG clutch, guys, where it's located, and let's explain what it's for. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey right here. You guys have 5 different fuse boxes in your Honda Odyssey, but we'll need to find the fuse box that's under the hood, and here you have 2. This is the secondary fuse box. We do not need this one, but we need that one right here. That's the main fuse box. If I zoom in a little bit, you can clearly see the fuse box. You're going to open that fuse box and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now, this is the front of your Honda Odyssey. This is towards the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the MG clutch fuse, what it means. MG clutch fuse, guys, it means magnetic clutch. What is magnetic clutch? That is, guys, your AC clutch, AC compressor clutch, guys, because it's practically a magnet coil, and when it's activated it closes and it activates the compressor. So that fuse right here, known as fuse number 17, guys, okay, we're talking about that fuse right here, 7.5 amp fuse. That's the one that you will need to check. That's for the MG clutch, for the AC compressor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.